welcome back to another Go-Karts Parts Postcards video. I'll give a little update on the lawnmower bike here, and we also made a little compilation, Go-Karts Parts and Postcards Best of 2020. So stay tuned. Okay, so for the lawnmower bike here, school got shut down again, and so you can't work there anymore in the auto shop. And then also it's just hard to work outside now because it's so cold and snow, so your hands just get real cold. So yeah, so we're working on the drive shaft right now. This is going to go where the pedals are. So you got some new bearings here. These are going to go on either side, kind of like this here. Put them on, and that'll be the shaft there. The sprockets will mount on here, kind of. And then we have these here, these stopper. I don't know what you call them, but they go on here and they stay so it doesn't slide around when it's mounted on the bike. But yeah, so hopefully we're going to try and get this onto the bike. We have to cut it down a bit. So yeah, stay tuned for another video on the lawnmower bike soon. But yeah. Lift out the front end onto the bridge. God damn. Okay, so here's a bit more of a up-close view of the bike here. Pull into a parking spot there.